Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to share with you my path to monetization for my YouTube channel. Now, first of all, I have not made it there yet. As you will see pretty soon that my channel is not monetized yet. YouTube, of course, has a minimum threshold before you're able to monetize your channel, and I have not gotten there yet, but I want to share my progress on the way there, and then hopefully this will be a couple of different videos in a series where eventually I do make it to that point where I can monetize the channel, and then we'll see kind of how it goes from there. So first of all, I want to share my screen with you so that you can see what I'm looking at. All right, so now you can see my channel dashboard here for my YouTube channel. You can see that I currently have 345 subscribers. It has gone up by 19 in the last 28 days. I'll jump over to the analytics here in a minute and show you some more of that too. My latest video is here. You know, it only got 22 views. Definitely not the most viewed video that I have, but again, just trying to post consistently. So my goal has been to post one video per week and just to be consistent with that. And so you'll see that there's definitely some weeks where that's not the case, but on average, I'm pretty much hitting that target. I wanted to show actually the total number of videos that I have posted. So I posted 85 videos to my YouTube channel. So like I said, it's been I can't remember exactly when the first video was published. Looks like the end of 2019 roughly, and since that time I've posted 85 videos. So if we jump over to the analytics, we'll look at kind of this custom time frame of October 3rd of 2020 through today, and you'll see just the steady increase in traffic that I've seen, and you'll see here each time that I posted a video. So you can see that I stayed pretty consistent. There was a gap here. That gap is from mid-March to early April, and as you can imagine, my channel is not monetized, so I'm not a YouTube star. I'm not making money at YouTube, and so I'm not able to post because March to April, I had to prepare actual tax returns because that's how I make money, not here on YouTube. So that's where I got a little behind on the videos there, and then picked it back up here over the last few weeks, posting consistently again. Now you'll see that, you know, everything has stayed pretty consistent with the number of views per day, and then it started trending upward, and you can see obviously it started trending upward around January, which most of my videos deal with tax topics. And so it started trending upward at that point, really peaked here in late March, which again, it's the time everyone is searching for topics related to their tax return. And the best performing video that I had at that time was a TurboTax review of me walking through a tax return on TurboTax. And I'll show you what that particular video got in views as well. And then a pretty steep decline here at the end of March. But again, it kind of settled back out at a much higher daily view rate than it did back, you know, in November and December of 2020. And it's staying pretty consistent. A little bit of a bump here around Monday, which no video was posted at that point. Not sure exactly what that bump was due to. You can see that subscribers, the most I've added in a single day, have been 4. But it is doing well. I'm picking up subscribers every day, just about. The last time I looked at the last 90 days, I was averaging a little more than 1 subscriber per day. Now it's dropped down to a little bit less than 1 per day. And in the last 28 days, you can see that that has dropped off a little bit down to 19. But what that I see is just consistent growth in those daily views, and then it's staying consistent. It's not like a peak and a drop, which is what it was in the very beginning. It would peak really high just on days where I post videos, go to nothing on days that I didn't post. And now, even when I don't post, there's enough content out there, there's enough kind of traffic where I'm getting around 80 views a day just because of that. And so it's nice to see. And from other channels that I've watched, other channels that I've looked at where they've talked about monetizing theirs, I've only watched 1 or 2, but it's kind of had that same trajectory where it's just slow, steady growth, and then eventually you get to that point. So YouTube also has this monetization tab that you can click on, and it'll show you how close you are, and you can have it email you once you get to that point. So as you can see, I need 1,000 subscribers, 345, so I've made it about a third of the way, and then 4,000 required hours of view time on your videos within the last 12 months. So this will kind of be a rolling calculation because you have to hit that within the previous 12 months. And again, it's tracking at about the same pace, and has been the whole time. It's been tracking about the same pace as the subscribers. So it's about, a little more than a third of the way there as well. So real quick, I'll jump over to that one video that I said just got a ton of views. All right, so I went back and set the custom date to October 3rd through May 18th. And you can see that TurboTax review and walkthrough, it got 6,000 views, 6,100 views in that time frame. And that's completely organic. No ads were run for that particular video ever. And so that's just organic search on YouTube, which has been great. How to do taxes for pastors. This is where I did a sample tax return for a pastor, showed the actual return itself, what to look for, items to make note of in that particular video. And that one, again, completely organic. Not sure why that was in the way. So completely organic views there, 1,600. Payment status not available. I mean, when that was kind of the thing with the first stimulus payment, that video did very well because people were definitely searching, trying to figure out where their stimulus payments were. And again, some more stimulus payments, and then some housing allowance, some other pastor type things, which is a big area that I do focus on in my tax practice. So if I go back though to lifetime, you'll see these giant blips, okay, on this day right here. Trying to hit it, 3,400 views on that one day back last April of 2020. 1,000 views on that one day back October 2nd. The reason why I took those out and did that custom time frame from October 3rd to today is because from October 3rd to today, it's all organic. These big blips here, I did run a few ads on those videos just to see kind of what would happen, how that would work. This one, TurboTax Review, definitely wasn't, so you can see that that one surpassed any other one that I ran an ad on in a shorter amount of time because these were posted well before that one was. So I think I'll definitely be doing a TurboTax Review every year because that video has done very well. Then you can click on it, and I think it'll tell you how many subscribers you've picked up from that one video. So I've picked up 25 subscribers just from that one video of how to do a TurboTax return, or a review of the TurboTax software as well as part of that video. So that's pretty much, what I've done with the YouTube channel. Again, my main goal, honestly, isn't actually to monetize it. I think that would be really cool. I'd love to hit that goal. I would never have expected myself to be able to get there. But I think, if I keep posting regularly and I just keep seeing steady growth, and obviously one day it's going to get there. It could take a couple of years, from beginning to getting there. But that's fine because I created the channel mostly just to share my tips and thoughts and just my desire and drive to help people do their tax returns correctly, and also to give general finance tips about personal budgets and things. Also, more recently, is to teach some intro basic accounting type of concepts to small business owners. And so that's really my desire. So whoever sees those, I'm grateful for. But hey, if I can get to a point where maybe a little bit of money could come in from YouTube, or just really just the goal of saying I reached the point where I could monetize, I have 1,000 subscribers, would be pretty cool, I think. So thanks for watching. My name's Brad. I'm with Wooten CPA. The goal of the channel is to bring peace to your finance and tax responsibilities. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video, and then also the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Thanks so much for watching.